Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just gonna do a quick review, or not review, just show you a little update on my my Element Enduro Sendero kit that I built way back when. You can see the nice rims and tires from rchopups that I put on. That video will be up here. Before this video, I had posted that. My creeper body, J Concepts. It's a little beat up. I don't film a lot of my crawling because it's it's kind of a pain. I don't crawl a ton, so but I do have a 1080 hobby wing, and I believe this is a 13 turn. I think it's a Sport Crawlmaster Sport. Holmes Hobbies. Just a little 3S 1500 milliamp battery. I changed batteries. I have a 2200 3S milliamp that I use too. It's a little longer, fits in there more, a little better. And a big shout out to BigHead RC right there. He printed out this on axial servo mount for me, 3D printed it for me. Fit in here nice. I got it all bolted in, a couple bolts down there holding it on the axle. And then I went through. You can see it's 3 pieces. This piece and this piece is all one, and then you got a piece back here and a piece back here, and you bolt it through the axle, and there's a spot on the axle to hold it. I was going to film it, but it's kind of hands-on stuff in there, so it's hard to see. So I didn't do it. So that's why I'm just doing an update. I did have to put my steering link in the front, which kind of makes it, low. For it was in the back. The kits come in the back. I did put the Club 5 high clearance links on it, front and back, but in the front I couldn't put the top ones in, so I put the stock ones in here because you need a 4 link up front now that you got rid of the panhard mount, putting it on the axle, right? So, and then I think the steering's working great. It's a little long, but it throws both ways. You see it down here. I mean, it turns all the way, so actually rubs the shock just a tiny bit right there still. And it's got some throw on this thing now, so I think I'm going to cut this off a little bit right here. Haven't decided, just touching that. This side's fine because it came that way. And I hooked up some lights. Cover your eyes. Bam. And then I did a little wrap with some lights back here. That's funny. These ones right here aren't working. So did that. So it glows underneath a little bit at nighttime. Looks pretty cool. It's you can see inside, it glows in there, and they're like a purple color too. I had it for like one of my little cars, and I pulled it out of it and decided to put it in this. So it's on a switch. I am looking to put a different, like a SpeedTek RC servo in there eventually. They're coming out with their own servos. I do have one, but I'm gonna put it in my kraton. I'm going to put it in my kraton. So, yeah, RC hop-ups and SpeedTek RC. And here's a servo. That's going to go in my kraton. I'm going to do a video on these too. It's hard to see right there. Try to get that in focus so you guys can zoom in on it or whatever you guys want to do. But, yeah, so it's pretty fast. It's strong. It's think it's going to be good for a basher. Because then he's got a super fast one coming out for like race cars, and I want to get one of those and put it in my my infraction, and then for the races, be nice and fast. But there you go, guys. I got thing's a little beast now. I haven't really done anything else to it. I did have to modify the bumper to fit, and this part right here. I had to cut this all down to get it all to fit up there. So I don't have a bumper for the back. I just let it drag if it drags. But yeah, there you go, guys. Just a quick update on my crawler. I know I don't do too much with crawling on this channel, but a bunch of the guys I talk to online, they do crawling. So like BigHead RC, he printed out that mount for me, guys, which was awesome. So I appreciate that, BigHead. It fit right up in there. You know, it's hard to see, but two bolts. So yeah, it worked out good. Works out good, man. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you see more videos. I'm going to be doing, you know, speed runs and build videos or how-to videos. I do a lot of how-to videos. I like working on the cars. So, but yeah, smash that bell so you can see more coming, guys. Thanks again. Have a good day.